Hey, this is Jeff Arnold with 4 Spot Consulting with another 5 Minute Friday. So, I gave a talk about this last fall, and I keep coming back to it because every time a new technology shows up, people say the same thing. This is going to take my job. Yep, every single time. And every single time, that's not how it actually plays out. I mean, look at the history. When machines showed up on the factory floor, the workers said, "This technology is going to replace me." When the computers landed on every desk in the office, people said it again. It was the same fear. Every wave of technology comes with some sort of a fear. But here's what really happened. The factory worker didn't go away. The job changed. Now they're running the machine, not doing the work by hand. The office worker didn't go away either. The job moved from filing paper to managing the information. The work didn't disappear. The responsibilities just pivoted. So here's where people get it wrong with AI right now, right? They hear AI is coming for HR and they brace for the worst. And because they're braced for it, they do one of two things. They freeze to avoid the whole thing, or they hold on to the manual busy work to prove they're still needed. Both are the wrong move. The technology was never the thing replacing you. It's the thing that moves you up. Because the pattern, every time, the machine takes the task, but the person moves to the judgment. On the factory floor, they went from doing the lifting to overseeing the line. In the office, they went from paper to decisions. And it's the same in HR. AI takes the data entry, the scheduling, the chasing people down for forms, and you move to the part of the job that needs the human all along. The coaching, the judgment calls, and the strategy. That's what I mean when I say technology doesn't replace people, it elevates them. That's not a feel good line. I mean, we've got 100 years of history backing it up. So if you're leading a team through this, here's what I want you to do with it. When someone on your team asks, "Is this going to replace me?" Don't dodge it. Walk them through the pattern. Show them. The people who come out ahead are the ones that adopt these shifts, and they're the ones that let the machines take the task and step into the bigger work. Your job is to show them where they're going, not just tell them they're safe. Name the new responsibilities because the fear fills in the blanks if you don't. This is exactly what we help HR leaders do at 4Spot Consulting. Deploying AI so your people move up instead of getting pushed out. There's a link below to grab a quick audit, and if you want to figure out where to start, grab a time and let's chat. I hope you have a great weekend and keep automating.